I absolutely agree that the leader at the top is going to, send shockwaves, all the way through the organization, and they have to lead by example.
But it made me reflect more on what kind of leader am I, and where would I fit in the grand scheme of things, and if you're going to be a leader, to lead.
The truth is, I've been less effective when I didn't see me truthfully, and I kept looking at them.
Sometimes you don't understand about decisions being made unless you're in that role.
Maybe we can get together as an organization, us, and spread the word of what we're learning here and what we do at home, and spread that out.
Thank you for just helping me to understand that it really is okay to do that.
Yes.
Trust. If you build those trusting relationships, you'll be a lot less misunderstood.
So I think one of the biggest takeaways, what could be instinctive to some have to be instructed to others, and taking the time to explain the why.
There are leaders at every level.
Yes.
So whether you're a superintendent, whether you're the principal, or maybe a teacher as a team leader, leadership, really does matter.